Basta nga ganado eh. Parang nagsusona kayo ah. Gusto kong batiin yung lahat at nagagalap ako na tayo nagsitutupon regularly para mapag-usapan the things that we have been doing and the things that we project will be happening in the coming weeks, in the coming months. No? Well, kagulan na. No? Wala na yung init. Sabi niyo ba, no? Shower of blessings. Yung ba naman, takot sa tubig, ayaw mabasa. No? But nonetheless, rain or shine, dito sa ating profesyon, as long as you have the ability to explain, you have the ability to make a pitch, tuloy ang trabaho. Whether umiinit o umuulan, hindi na mawala yung kapasidad natin maghanap buhay. Kaya hanap buhay natin, ano ba ang puhunan natin? Ang puhunan natin ang pakikipag-usap, sipag sa pakikipag-usap, at sipag sa pagkalok ng ating properties. At this point, I will not take much of your time. I'd just like to remind everyone the basics of selling, especially this kind of selling. Talagang it's incumbent on us that we really need to organize our own sales organization. So habang dumadami ang iyong galamay sa ilalim, whether you are a vice president or a senior vice president, the more people working under you, the more network that you have looking for clients, the better are your chances for making those sales. Kung nag-iisa ka and you think sufficient na yun, you are losing an opportunity. Dito sa ating setup, the more people that you have, the more trained people that you have, no? Yung word pala na trained, yun. Hindi na basta-basta tao. Kasi minsan yung tao natin, hindi properly trained, so hindi makakahanap ng clients. Pero yung tao na properly trained, so that's why we're putting an emphasis at us, Mr. Talusan, the last 2 weeks, to really take a hard look on the training that we have. So I'd like to announce at this juncture that we will soon be resuming our face-to-face trainings. Itong face-to-face training will happen very soon. In fact, it's going to happen this coming Friday. Di ba nila alam? But I'm telling them they better conduct that face-to-face training or makikita nila yung face-to-face ko. And we will really have to conduct our face-to-face training and start it now. Ang iniisip ko dyan, of course, meron na akong mag-conduct si Bong ng face-to-face training eh. Wala rin siya kausap ng tao, no? So, importante, masuportahan nyo itong face-to-face training. Meron tayong mga recruits na a-attend. And as a special incentive, dun sa mga attend, we will be distributing marketing collateral materials. So, may mga materials tayo na i-distribute pag ikaw nag-face-to-face. Pag ikaw ay nasa Zoom, yung material mo din, Zoom din. Kung ano lang yung mga mo. Diba? DJ, ano doon, nasa screenshot. Ayun, pero mag-present sa client mo. Pero kung face-to-face meeting, yan talaga, mag-distribute tayo materials. So we will provide them the IDs that they will come up with. Diba, dati may mga ID tayo, remember? So doon na tayo magpo-provide ng IDs sa face-to-face. So what's the thing? Monday. So you have 5 days to prepare. 5 days to prepare. So Monday ngayon, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Ano gusto niyong oras? Sa umaga o sa hapon? Ano gusto niyong start? 10 o'clock na umaga o 1 o'clock na hapon? 12 umaga. Ang bendante. Wala. Traffic traffic. Sige, for starters, simulan muna natin ngayon. Para Laguna na Macol. Eksakto, Laguna. Magpapakain din tayo dyan. Pakakainin natin sila ng merienda, refreshments. Absolutely free. Absolutely free. We'll provide them the food and meals so that you can recruit good people. Ituturo natin doon the rudiments of selling. Ano yung kanilang responsibility, ano yung kailangan nilang gawin agad para mag-break nila, makabenta sila, makahanap sila ng pwede para ikaw naman, sigurado masihit ka. Hahabulin natin yan every Friday. Boom. Every Friday. If the sales force can support it, we will have this face-to-face every Friday. So magdala kayo ng tao dyan and we will provide the training. We'll make the first training really worthwhile dahil we will discuss with them real estate as a profession, selling as a profession. Kasi minsan, kadalasan, Bobby, inisip ng tao, pag nag-real estate selling ka, parang pachamba-chamba. Pero tayo, ikaw, ako, tayo, yung mga old-timers, we all know that we have to look at it as a profession. Diba? Talagang, ito hanap buhay namin eh. Diba, Mercy? Pwede mo tayo maghanap buhay ng iba, pero ito yung pinili natin ang hanap buhay. Kasi alam natin, kaya natin mabuhay at buhayin ang ating mga pamilya dahil profession natin ito. But in order for it na maging profession, you have to be skilled. You should know what you should be doing. And that's exactly what we will be emphasizing in all of these seminars. The face-to-face. Okay ba sa inyo?
Yes.
Number one, you need to organize, which means we need to have people under our organization. Number two, they have to be trained. And number three, they have to be motivated. And I'm asking all our vice presidents, sino ba mga VPs dito? Halos lahat, no? So what we will be doing is, from time to time, we will conduct activities on the site. No? Like for example, with Eagle Ridge natin, we were supposed to come up with an activity last 3 weeks ago ba? Binagyo lang tayo. Hindi, August ba? Ano yun? September? July. Inabot naman tayo ng bagyo. Kaya hindi natuloy. Pero I think on August 30, we're going to do 23 ba?
30 po.
Oh, ano ba? 30 o 23? 30. Final na yun. Ba't din nila ang books? Baka palitan nyo na naman yan, ha? O August 30 na. Kung August 30, nakailang palit na kayo dyan. Ha? So gawin natin yung August 30. That's ano yung tinuturo mo?
Saturday po.
Ha?